Hey there! Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem faced by developers when working with dynamic program loaders in C. The problem at hand is that while a custom loader runs some code before loading the main application, GDB doesn't recognize the shared objects loaded in except for the custom loader. This leads to GDB not displaying any shared libraries when queried, even when the actual application is running. Let's dive into the solution to understand how GDB actually knows what shared objects are loaded in and at what addresses. The solution lies in the rendezvous _r_debug structure, which GDB finds in the dt_debug dynamic entry of the main executable. This main executable is located via the @_phdr entry in the UX vector passed in by the kernel. Through this structure, GDB is able to determine the shared objects loaded and their respective addresses during runtime. It's a crucial piece that allows GDB to track and access the loaded shared libraries. Expanding on the solution, GDB identifies the presence of the _r_debug structure by looking for the pt_dynamic in the program headers of the main executable. However, in cases like yours with a custom loader, the @_phdr may point to the program headers of the loader instead of the main application. This leads GDB to interpret the binary as fully static, assuming no shared library loading will occur. It's essential to check the UX vector through GDB for insights into the loaded objects. Moving forward with the solution, a deeper dive into the dynamic loader like lib64 ld linux x8664. So point 2 reveals interesting details. The readelf command shows the presence of the pt_dynamic, which indicates the dynamic nature of the loader. While this loader may not have the dt_debug, GDB utilizes alternative methods to locate symbols like _r_debug in both static and dynamic symbol tables. This multifaceted approach allows GDB to adapt and fetch the necessary information about loaded shared objects. In summary, GDB's awareness of shared objects and their addresses stems from the _r_debug structure accessed through the dynamic entry of the main executable. By understanding the intricacies of how GDB tracks shared libraries, developers can effectively debug applications using dynamic loaders. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Keep coding and stay curious.